Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look for you guys. I was feeling chocolatey, sparkly, brown glam, and I wanted to keep this look really like monochromatic with like all browns and really just like chocolatey. I don't know how else to describe it, but this is what I came up with. I got some inspiration from, I don't know where, probably my head. I don't know, I've probably seen something somewhere. Oh, it was Kylie Jenner. I seen a picture that she had like literally like brown eyes, wing liner, really like bronzy brown cheeks, and also like a brown lip, and I was like, you know what girl, you gave it to me, I'm gonna do it. So I am super obsessed with it. I'm actually going to a little wedding right now, and I figured I will get ready with you guys. So if you guys want to see how I created this glam right here, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, I went ahead and applied my e.l.f. strips under my eyes. You guys know that I love these right here. They are the little eye strips, and I like to cut one in half. That way I can use more and they last longer. So today I'm using my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. At first I'm going to go in with the color Burnt Orange right over here. I'm going more for a rounded look today in my crease. So that's the shape that I'm going to start creating with the first color. And I'm also flipping the brush this way, so that way I can also blend in into the crease. Up next with the same brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Rustic, which is more of a caramel brown color. And I'm going to use this to deepen up the crease as well. I want a really warm brown crease today. And you always want to make sure that you keep the color right on the crease. You don't take it over the brow bone, because that's when it starts looking kind of messy. And then you kind of lose the shape that you're going for, especially when you want to do like more of a round shape eyeshadow look. Up next, I want to go in with a darker color too, just to really intensify the crease. I'm taking a clean E25 brush. I have like 40 of them. I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber, which is a matte dark brown eyeshadow. And I'm also going to be using this onto my crease, but focusing it more in the outer corners of the eye, and then blend it inward. We really want to make sure we have that nice gradient brown effect. And then with whatever is left, try to also blend in the middle. Now I'm just taking a clean E40 blending brush, just a big one. I'm going to be taking Orange Soda, which is more of the light orange shade. And I'm going to use this color to kind of add some warmness to the crease. And I want a little bit of that orange to show through. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and apply some brow gel, because I noticed them moving around. I'm using my Benefit 24-hour brow gel. It's the one that I've been using for months. It's my favorite one. Alright guys, so now for the fun part, I'm going to apply this Diamond Dew Lime Crime eyeshadow base. It is just a sparkly, I don't know what the formula of this is called. It's more of the Stila ones that you swatch, and it's like super pretty. So I'm going to be applying it with the same one that it comes in. This is in the color Chocolate Diamond. So I'm going to be applying this right in the middle. As you guys can see, it's super reflective. So I'm just stamping it on my eyelid, making sure I don't go over the crease. And then I'm kind of applying it and the sides as well, like in the corners, to kind of blend it into the crease, because I don't want like a sharp line. But I think I'm going to go back with eyeshadow and kind of blend that out a little more. But it looks so dope. These are also really pigmented, so you can only dip it once, and it allows you to apply it all over your lid with one application. No need to get like so much, because then it can get really messy. Going back in with my E25, I'm taking a little bit of that Cypress Umber again, and I'm gonna stamp that like in the outer corners just to blend out those edges. And then I'm gonna be taking just like this right here and fan it out. That way it's dry before I apply my eyeliner. Okay, yeah, so I'm definitely gonna have to go in with liquid liner. Alright guys, so I'm taking my Sigma Line Ace Legend liner. It's one of my favorite liquid black eyeliners. So I'm gonna be using this to trace over my wing liner, making it darker. Mainly, I just want to cover up the glitter that is on the eyeliner. So I want it to be completely matte. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished up the edge with the wing liner. And I'm gonna take some wipes and clean up the edges. Alright, so I'm taking now some wipes, and I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes. This look is really simple. It looks more elaborate, but I feel like the glitter really saves you, and it makes it look more like you actually tried, you know? Alright guys, for mascara, I'm using my Bad Gal Lash by Benefit. It has been literally my ride or die mascara. Alright guys, and for lashes today, I'm using my Lily Mykonos lashes. Alright guys, so lashes are on. I'm gonna darken them up with liquid liner once the glue sets. I do use a black glue, so that's a really good tip if you guys are doing wing liner, to use a black glue. That way you don't have to worry about like it looking white from the glue. Now let's go ahead and move on to the face. I'm gonna be using my MAC Strobe Cream. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna hydrate with my H2O OASIS hydrating product. I love it so much. It is a blue gel, and it just refreshes your face so much. I just literally lather myself in this because it is so good. I got Jason on it and he could not live without it. They even sent him product, like what the heck. I also like it to put it under my eyes since I don't use like eye moisturizer like for my makeup application, but it really makes sure that your eyes are hydrated. That way the concealer looks better under your skin and it doesn't crack throughout the day. So without sinking into the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and also put in my MAC Strobe Cream and GOLDLITE. Just a little bit will do, and I also like to put this pretty much all over my face because I want that all over glow. You can mix it with your foundation, but I feel like whenever I do that, it just shears out of my foundation and I don't really like the finish of that, so I'd rather layer it onto the Strobe Cream. And then to lock all this in, I'm gonna be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Foundation, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation. This has been my holy grail foundation. I use it every day. Like, I can't find any other foundation that I own to give me the same finish and coverage. And the fact that it's drugstore makes it like 10 times better. Yeah. I'm using my Morphe E31 brush. For some reason, I really have been liking applying this foundation with this brush. I feel like it just blends out the foundation so nice instead it's really full coverage and very thick in my opinion. I feel like it does a really good job in distributing the foundation all over the face. And then going in with my DM sponge by LA Girl, I'm just going to press in the foundation and tap in the excess, which I do have a code with LA Girl. It is Vale 10 and you guys can save some money at checkout. These are my favorite drugstore sponges, beauty sponges. I could not try anything else. I just love these so much. And they actually come in a 2-pack when you purchase them, so you're actually getting 2 blenders for a really good deal. I think it's like $6, which is not bad at all. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using actually a corrector first. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Peach Corrector. I love doing this step because it does brighten up my under eyes a lot, but I forget most of the time. But today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make it a point to take it out and use it. And I'm gonna be blending that out with my LA Girl sponge. Sierra's trying out Miami for the first time. Ooh. Wow. Hey, look up for the people. Wow, look at that side profile.
I look crazy.
Wow, I love. Concealer, what's new? Tarte Shape Tape? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, please. For contour, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Truffle Matchsticks. I really have been liking this one. I go between this one and my Hoola one, but this one's a little bit darker since I am self-tan. I find that it just looks better and it has like a really long staying power. And then I contour my nose a little bit underneath my chin. And as always, I like to go in and blend down my contour first. I'm using my Sigma Stippling Dual Fiber brush, the F55. And I always start by blending out the cheekbones, always up into the hairline. And then what I do is I press the brush like this, I make it skinnier. And then I use that to blend the sides of my nose. Something slight, not so much precise. And then now with the blender, I go in and blend everything else. I'm also applying some concealer underneath my contour. Sometimes I do this to clean it up and it makes it look a little bit more sharper. And I'm taking the flat side of the blender to do this. I could have done this with the loose powder, but I want that extra chiseled look today. Alright guys, today for loose powder, I am using my Hourglass setting powder. I've been using it for the past 3 days and it is the best. Not the best, but I just tried it out like literally like 2 days ago. But I am obsessed with it. I feel like not only is it a great baking powder, it's really fine. And it also adds a lot of like luminosity to my skin. It just brightens up the highlighted area so much, but it's not cakey. So you have like literally the best of both worlds. And then I'm also applying this underneath the contour and then a little bit on the tip of my nose. So today I'm using my Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. I'm gonna use it because it has some kind of like golden flushy peachy tone to it. So it acts as a bronzer and also like as a blush, and it also smells really good. And I'm just taking a regular blending brush and taking like a little bit. I'm going to buff that on the sides of my nose. Nothing major, something slight. Kind of like contour my nose a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Sigma Taper Highlighter F35 and I'll be wiping off the excess powder. And as you guys will see, it leaves my skin really illuminated. I feel like I haven't like a loose powder this much other than my Too Faced Peach Perfect, which is sold out. It's so annoying. I can't get it anywhere, but if you guys are looking for a really good dupe for the Peach Perfect by Too Faced, I really recommend this one by Hourglass. Alright, so now that we're done with mostly all powders in our face, I'm gonna go ahead and set the face one more time, get it ready for highlights. So for highlight today, I'm trying out this new highlighter from Cover FX. It is the Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. And I'm gonna be trying out the shade 24 Karat Gold. This one right over here. Okay guys, this highlighter has me shook. I honestly, I don't know. I didn't think I was gonna like it just because I'm really iffy about highlighters and palettes. But this highlighter, it's really pretty. I like that it's gold, but it has like a silvery finish as well. It's really pretty, really soft, really pigmented, and it's not much skin-like. It's kind of more on the powdery side, but it applies so beautiful on the skin. I'm gonna be taking a pencil E30 from Sigma as well with that same shade, and I'm gonna be applying this to my inner corners and also the sides of my nose. Brow bone is always a must. And then with the same highlighter brush that I use as my Anastasia one, I'm just going to lightly buff this into my forehead. For blush, I'm taking this palette right here from Too Faced. It is the Natural Face palette. This packaging is so pretty and so luxurious. Like, I don't even want to use it. I think I'm gonna mix Pink Sand, which is this one right here, and Sunny Honey for my blush today. Taking more of that pink sand right on the apples of the cheeks. I want that pink to come through. And then a little bit over my nose so it gives me that like sunburnt look. Alright guys, for lips, I want to do something more browny on the brown side. I'm taking my Gerard Cosmetics Mud Slide Lip Liner. Alright guys, so now I'm taking my Anastasia Starfish Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I was like, I feel naked. It's because I haven't finished my lower lash line. Like, what? Okay, so I'm just going to be taking Rustic again. And I'm going to be blending that into my lower lash line. And I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber, and I'm going to be applying that like right in the outer corner. And again, taking my big mascara, applying some to my lower lashes. And of course, I had to get it on my nose because what's a look without a mascara spot on your face? And this is the completed look, guys. Oh my god, I am so obsessed. This is exactly what I had in mind. I'm so happy I was able to do it. Well, I really hope that you guys love this tutorial. I love just sitting here and getting ready with you guys. If you guys enjoy this get ready with me videos, please give it a big thumbs up for me. As always, I will have other products that I use and mention listed down below along with their links and discount codes. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That is where I stay most active. You can follow me at Vale Beauty. That is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Muchos besitos y abrazos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.